Hi, I'm attorney Ryan Ramsayer with the Barone Defense Firm. Today I want to take a minute to talk to you about firearms rights. Specifically, if you've ever been convicted of a felony or domestic violence, the federal law states that you are not allowed to own or possess any firearms. Now, if you are to receive an expungement, those rights could be restored. Oftentimes in the state of Michigan, I receive phone calls about having their firearms rights restored through a process here in the state of Michigan. Unfortunately, if you do go through that process, you'll find out at the end that your firearms rights are not restored federally. Instead, you'll only be allowed to possess black powder weapons. In order to fully restore your firearms rights, you're going to have to get an expungement to completely remove those felonies and domestic violence charges from your record. If you think you may be eligible, please contact us at the number provided. Thank you.